Good morning children. Sample paper we are continuing. Now section B, which carries 2 marks. If M parallel to P, angle A equal to 57 degree, find angle Z. So already the two lines are parallel is given there. Then angle A equal to 57. What is the angle for angle Z is asked. So angle A equal to 57, that is A equal to 57 here and Z is here. Which are the parallel line? M and A, M parallel to P only. So M and P are parallel and T is the transversal. When we are having the two parallel lines, it cut by transversal. What are the properties we must know? Corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, co-interior angles are supplementary. If we check this diagram, you know that A and Z are alternate interior angle only. See the shape, that one we are getting an alphabetical shape is Z only. So M will start like this we are getting. So A and Z are alternate interior angle. So A equal to 57 means angle Z is also equal to 57, and we should write the reason alternate interior angles are equal. When 2 mark questions with reasons only you must written, otherwise the mark will be deducted. So we should write the solution as angle A equal to 57, angle Z equal to 57 with the reason alternate interior angles are equal. Question number 22. Find the value of the following expression using suitable property. So when we are having the question 725 into minus 35 plus minus 725 into 65. So suitable property is there. With that only we should find the solution. Directly we should not multiply. So 725 into minus 35 plus minus 725 into 65. So here we have to take the common factor as a 725 because the property is asked, the distributive property we are using. 725 we taken, what is remaining there? 725 minus 35 is remaining there. After taking 725 minus 35 plus again 725 is taken, but minus sign is there. So minus into 65. Actually what is the meaning of this one? 725 into minus 1 into 35. That is why when we are taking 725 minus 1 into 35 minus 35 coming. Similarly minus 725 can be written as minus 1 into 725 into 65. So what is we are taking common? 725. So what is remaining? Minus 1 into 65. That is we are getting minus 65. So now the property is asked. So here what we should write? A distribute property. Okay. Now simplify the terms in the bracket. Minus 35 and minus 65. What is the answer? Minus 100. So 725 into minus 100. The answer is minus 725 100. Now the same question we can do in the different way also, because some children wants to take out instead of 725 they maybe want to take out a minus 725. Let us see the steps now. 725 into minus 35 plus minus 725 into 65. So minus 725 we are taking. That means 725 is gone and minus sign is also taken out. So what is remaining? Only 35. Minus 725 is already taken out. So what is remaining? 65. So write the reason clear here also. What is the reason? Distributive property. So when the question is asked for using the property and all, we must specify the property as a reason only. Now simplify, it is 100. Minus 725 into 100. Our answer is minus 725 100 only. Both the way if you try, then the answer is remaining same only. The most important thing you have to remember that the property should be applied. Don't do the direct multiplication. If the child is doing 725 into minus 35 as a product, again minus 725 into 65 we are doing multiplication, then adding, you will not get the mark because the property must be used, because the instruction is given in the question, that only. So what is the answer we got for this question? Minus 725 100. What will you get on subtracting minus 134 from the sum of 38 and minus 87? So from the sum of 38 and minus 87 means we should do the simplification of first this part, then subtract minus 134 from that one. So according to the question, what we can write? 38 plus minus 87 minus of minus 134. That means the sum of 38 and minus 87 we must do. From this we have to subtract minus minus 134. So 38 and minus 87, the answer is minus 49, because one is a positive, another one is a negative only. So difference and give the greater number sign. So which is the greater number? Minus 87 is the greater number. So the answer is minus 49. Now minus into minus, so plus 134. Again one is negative, another one is a positive. What we must do? Take the difference and give the greater number sign only. So 49 and 134 difference is 85, and the greater number sign is plus. So our answer is plus 85. Question number 24. In a cricket match, the runs scored by 11 players are as follows: 12, 23, 10, 77, 15, 78, 90, 54, 23, 10 and 1. Now find the average score. Average means nothing else. We have to calculate the arithmetic mean only. So average score equal to mean. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all the observations by total number of the observations. So we have to add all the observations. That means we should write like this: 12 plus 23 plus 10 plus 77 plus 15 plus 78 plus 90 plus 54 plus 23 plus 10 plus 1 whole divided by 11. So if you add all these observations, we will get 393 by 11. Simplification, we are going to get 35.7 only. So average score means mean only. Mean equal to 35.7. So sum of the observations by 11, then 393 by 11, it equal to 35.7. Question number 25. The radius of a driving wheel of an engine is 1.75 meter. How many revolutions will it take place in traveling 22 kilometer? So according to the question, the wheel had taken a distance 22 kilometer only, but the radius of the wheel equal to 1.75 meter is given. How many revolutions are taken for covering 22 kilometer? So each time if we are taking a wheel, it is similar to the circle only. So when we are rotating the wheel, or revolutions means it is the circumference of the wheel only, right? Circumference of the wheel means circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle means it is 2 pi r. So r equal to 1.75 meter is given. So we don't know how many revolutions it had taken for covering 22 kilometers. So we'll take that and be the number of revolutions for covering 22 kilometer. That means n into distance covered in one revolution equal to 22 kilometer. So here n into distance covered in one revolution means we already explained it is 2 pi r only. N into 2 pi r equal to 22 kilometer. But the radius in meter and the distance is in kilometer. We should write it is in the meter also. So 22,000 meter also. Now n into 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 meter. Now n equal to 22,000. This 7 will go to the numerator. So into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 1.75 in the denominator. The meter will get cancelled. Now what is the next step? We should convert to 1.75 as 175 by 100. So the 100 will go to the numerator. After the simplification, you will come to know that the answer is 2000 times. So number of revolutions taken by the wheel equal to 2000. Write the geometrical shape or the figure for each of the following real life examples. So some real life examples are given here. We should identify or correlate with the real life examples with the geometrical figures what you have learned here. Carrot, football, die and fridge. Carrot, what is the shape of the carrot? Almost it is similar to cone only. So we are writing the cone. And football, what is the shape? It is a sphere. Because all these are three-dimensional only. So three-dimensional solids names only we should write. So football equal to sphere, and die if it is taken, what is the shape? It is equal to cube. Fridge we have taken means it's a cuboid only. So when we are having the carrot and all, we are almost similar to like this. So it is similar to your ice cream cone. So we are writing the cone. Carrot is in the shape of the cone, that is similar to our ice cream cone only. So cone it is. A football means a sphere. Die means a cube only. Cube, the die you are very familiar when you are playing with the snake and ladder game. We are using that one. Throwing a die only, we will come to know that how many steps we have to move, or move backward or forward like that. So here it is the front face. If you take it is all the edges are equal in length. So the name of the three-dimensional solid is cube only. But when it it comes to the fridge, it is length is more than breadth only, usually normal case. So it is similar to rectangle front face, so it will be called in the three-dimensional cuboid only. So the answers are cone, sphere, cube and a cuboid. Section C now starts. It carries 3 marks only. Question number 27. If rupees 250 is to be divided among Ravi, Raju and Roy, so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju gets 3 parts, Roy gets 5 parts, how much will each get? So 250 is to be divided among Ravi, Raju and Roy also, so that the parts it is given 2 and Raju it is 3, Roy it is 5 only. How much will each will get? Usually in this question, one more sub question will be asked, how much percentage of money also they will, how much percentage of money they will get. Okay, now let us see the solution. So total amount equal to rupees 250. According to the question, Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju get 3, Roy get 5 parts. So when we are writing in the ratio form, Ravi is to Raju is to Roy is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5 only. Now each got by how much money? Money received by Ravi equal to 2 parts only out of 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10 only. So 2 by 10 out of which money? 250. So 2 by 10 into 250, rupees 50. Ravi got rupees 50. Similarly, Raju means Raju share is 3. So 3 by 10 into 250 it is equal to rupees 75. Roy 5 by 10 into 250 it is equal to rupees 125. Now we got that each receives money as rupees 50, rupees 75 and rupees 125. Percentage of money got by Ravi, Raju, Roy also we have to calculate. So percentage means instead of 250 we should go for 100. So by 2 by 10 into 100 it is 20%. Similarly for Raju 3 by 10 into 100 it is equal to 30%. Roy 5 by 10 equal to 100 equal to 50%. So the percentage of money if it is asked, then we can do like this, and the answers are 20%, 30% and a 50%. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.